has got nothing to do with the accidents or anything of such sort. Even if it's stolen or anything.
Okay.
So loan will be there.
Okay.
The insurance, you need to quickly apply for an insurance.
When giving a vehicle loan specifically, what is a bank looking at?
Same. I mean, from a bank's perspective, what is it? See, the bank's business is lending.
Right.
They're giving you money.
Right.
They want to give money to somebody who can pay it back.
Correct.
Right, no? Who's trustworthy and who has an intention to pay back.
Right.
It doesn't matter whether it's a vehicle loan or a housing loan or a personal loan, especially in cases of unsecured loans like personal loans or credit cards.
Right.
Their underwriting, this whole the check of trustworthiness is called underwriting.
Right.
Where they underwrite you.
Right.
Verifying all the facts.
Right.
As to whether this guy, if a loan is given, will pay back or not.
Correct.
So that whole process is called underwriting. The underwriting has to be really strong in cases of the unsecured loans, because once disbursed, once utilized, the guy doesn't pay, there is no recourse.
But in case of vehicle loan, it is secured.
It's secured, it's hypothecated.
Okay.
If the guy doesn't pay back, then they can recover.
So can you just explain this term you used called hypothecated? What does it mean?
So bank in the book of RTO, so it is very clearly stated that so this so and so vehicle is under the loan of Canara Bank or any.
Okay, so it's registered even with the government.
With the RTO.
Okay.
Within the RTO, it's hypothecated, and RTO book clearly states that a loan has been borrowed on this particular vehicle or a car or a.
So to a large extent, a vehicle loan is a secured loan then.
It is a secured loan.
Okay. So bank, it will look at your credit history, of course, as you said, and then look at your income statements, your relationship with the bank. Yeah.
Collateral is anyway there. They know the value.
So as you said, the 3 C's.
The 3 C's.
Right.
The creditworthiness, capacity, and collateral. Collateral is anyway there. If it's a new vehicle.
Correct.
If it's a second, if it's a used car or a used bike, then there is a valuer. The valuer comes into picture who will value the vehicle.
Right.
Based on its condition. They have some 50-point check, 100-point check, wherein they'll check for accidents, the capabilities of engines and
everything. So the bank has a valuer, is it?
Yeah, the bank will have its own valuer.
Okay.
Absolutely. The valuer will do those 100-point or 50-point check, verifying the entire condition of the vehicle, and he will value it.
Okay.
He'll value the vehicle. And against that value, the bank will disperse the loan, maybe 80%, 70%, based on, it's all discretion of the bank.
Okay. So this is from the getting the loan perspective. Now, from a consumer's perspective, explain to me what should be the right thing he should do while paying back that loan.
Yes. So from a consumer perspective, paying back on time every month would be an ideal situation.
Okay.
So if he does that, he'll not have any trouble. Okay. He doesn't have to worry about anything.
Right.
Once the loan is closed, bank will give an NOC which he has to submit to the RTO to remove the hypothecation.
Okay. So after that, the loan is the vehicle is now
even in RTO, it's updated that the loan is closed.
Oh wow! Okay.
It has to be updated. No,
I don't think. I hope many people are doing this. I never knew about this.
I'm not sure. A lot of people miss out.
Yeah.
But this will become a trouble while selling the vehicle. Again, he has to go to RTO, get an NOC from the bank, update it.
Right. I had no idea about this. I have been paying, but I mean, I have a couple of more years left.
Yeah.
But then
we should be doing this. Once the bank issues an NOC, go to RTO, get it updated.
Right. Okay.
Get the registers updated.
Perfect.
Now it's all online. Yes.
So these are the two things you should do from an ideal perspective.
From an ideal perspective.
Pay on time. Get an NOC once the loan is cleared. Get an NOC. What happens if, for example, my car or my bike, God forbid, but gets into an accident? At that point, what happens?
Insurance. It's straight away insurance.
Okay.
You claim insurance.
And insurance is claimed, it doesn't affect, but I have to still keep paying the loan.
Yeah, absolutely. So loan has got nothing to do with the accidents or anything of such sort. Even if it's stolen or anything.
Okay.
So loan will be there.
Okay.
The insurance, you need to quickly apply for an insurance. If it's stolen, then based on your IDV value, the insurance becomes applicable. Insurer guy will release the funds.
Okay.
That funds will gets adjusted towards your loan.
Okay, but I still have to repay the remaining amount.
Whatever it is. Yeah, remaining.
Okay.
Yeah. And close the loan account.
Okay.
Actively.
Okay.
Don't ever neglect it.
Okay, so
don't ever neglect it.
So why are you stressing on this so much for our
audience? Because I have a case wherein somebody neglected their theft vehicle. They registered, FIR is done, and everything is done.
Okay.
But what happened is the insurer raised a concern. See, the insurer will not simply insure you.
Correct.
He will also have the counter offer, wherein you claim 6-7 lakhs, and he will have a counter offer of 5 lakhs. And they'll also file a petition in the court.
Okay.
This whole fight will go on in court. It can go on for years.
Okay.
It can go on stretch if you fight with an insurer, and when you do not agree with the sum that he is quoting.
Okay.
When the fight is going on in the court, if you skip all your EMIs, if you stop paying your EMIs because the vehicle has been stolen, it is hitting your credit report.
Oh, okay. So even if you put the theft, it does not matter. You have to continue paying your EMIs.
Continue paying your EMIs, otherwise your credit profile will get destroyed. Literally.
Okay. I mean, this is an important thing to note. So, how often do you see cases like this?
This is not too many. Okay. I have come across these kind of cases.
Okay.
Let's assume there's an accident that has taken place.
Okay.
And vehicle is completely the severity of accident is to such an extent that vehicle is crushed.
Right.
It's no more usable.
Right.
Then once the insurance sanction happens, it should be diverted towards the bank where the loan amount gets adjusted.
Okay.
If it's more, pay it and close it.
At that point.
Make sure that you oversee the entire process. Make sure you follow up with the insurer.
Right.
Make sure you follow up with the banker. This is not a seamless process. You will have to follow up.
Okay. There will be a little bit of fight also.
Yeah. You will have to follow up. Make sure that entire thing is closed.
Okay.
And your account is closed.
You need to have.
And you have gotten an NOC also.
Okay.
Anyway, you don't have to go to RTO.
Yeah, but you at least have the NOC.
NOC from the bank.
Right.
So that even if it's not updated in your credit profile, you can manually get it updated.
So guys, I mean, this is a simple thing which I think a lot of people ignore.
This is in a scenario of total loss.
Right.
This is a scenario of total loss. Follow up specifically with insurers, specifically with banker. Get the loan closed.
Okay.
Get it reported to CIBIL as account closed.
And keep your CIBIL score healthy, basically.
Healthy, absolutely healthy.
And the few cases which you've come across where court case is going on and the EMI is not paid, what happens then?
The profile is destroyed, because of which bank will keep reporting DPDs.
Wow. Okay.
Will keep
and you can't remove them also.
Nothing. No,
even if you tell the court case was going on.
Once it's a DPD, then it's impossible to remove. No, the bank has got nothing to do with the court case, theft or anything. The borrower is always liable to pay the loan amount or EMIs or anything of such.